Dr. Donald Hohman, orthopedic surgeon with the Texas Orthopedic Associates in Dallas, Texas. I'm a board-certified, fellowship-trained joint replacement surgeon. I specialize in joint replacements of the hip and the knee. We also have a great experience with the custom knee implants from the Conformis company. I was very fortunate to do a lot of my early training with some of the developers of this technology, and I brought that experience with me to Dallas, and I've since offered that since the start of my practice. I find that these are very reproducible, very accurate. Patients seem to have really excellent satisfaction with their custom knee implants. They really fit in really nicely in the extreme situations. So sometimes if you have a larger patient, then you might be able to provide an off-the-shelf implant. A custom implant fills a void that otherwise you might not have the ability to provide them with something that would fit exactly the way you needed it to, and you might have to make a compromise during the operation to make that work. And then the extremes of that are also true in the very small patients. So oftentimes we'll find a very petite woman, and you wouldn't want to have a larger implant in a very petite woman. So sometimes these little tricks make very challenging operations a little bit more simplistic. And then on the hip side, we were also very fortunate to be part of the early release of the total hip. So we did the first anterior custom hip replacement in Texas, and we've continued to follow that patient for quite some time now, and she's doing incredibly well. When we continue to offer those and perform those on a routine basis. We've had tremendous success with that as well, and patients are very pleased, and it's very reproducible, very accurate technology, so we've had great success.